Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Luna. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
You gonna blow it out?
Oh.
You gonna blow
No.
You gonna blow it out, Luna? Baby girl.
Here,
You gotta blow it out,
blow it
make a wish. Ready? We'll blow it out together. You ready? Hold on, come here. Come here, baby girl. Come here. Come here, we'll blow it out together. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Yay! Luna's first birthday!
Happy baby girl. That's for you. Oh,
Here, can you put it over
baby
there?
girl. Oh, you go, baby girl.
Luna, oh, she put on the
She peed? Where?
She got so excited,
Oh my
she
God.
peed.
I would be.
Go over there, Luna. Go by the Christmas tree. Yummy!
There you go.
And Loki's here to celebrate too.
He's gonna stomp his head.
Loki's like, what? I want some cake.
Well, you guys never made me a cake before. Now what's up with that?
Loki, every day is your birthday. That's how it is.
And Loki's like, what is that hat? What is that crown you're wearing?
I used to see them at Mardi Gras all the
And she's got her little birthday girl bandana. Oh man, it's showing that thing down, huh? So this is a microwave mug cake that I made for her. 90 seconds in the microwave. I'll put the link down below. And then it has a yogurt and peanut butter frosting on top. Oh my god. Luna.
She's like devouring that thing.
Luna girl. You like your birthday cake?
Pretty good. The best she's ever had.
Yeah.
Oh, baby girl. Oh, baby girl.
Was it worth wearing the crown?
Yeah.
Was it worth it?
She's like, oh my god. Oh my god. Getting it on the floor.
Yeah.
Just a little bit. Oh, she's like her own personal little. She just eats. She's like, oh my gosh. She's like eating it in one bite.
Luna.
Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see what she poops up tomorrow morning. Oh, she's not even. Oh, she's gonna need some water here soon. Hope she doesn't choke.
So I got the birthday girl hat and bandana. It also comes with a little decoration and a toy off of Amazon. I'll put that link below as well. Super cute, especially for your puppy's first birthday. You have to celebrate their first birthday. And she's just the best dog ever. No regrets on getting a dog. No regrets on spending the money for
Not a single
for
regret.
That's probably been like
Goldendoodle.
the best in terms of like mental. Like what's the word I'm looking for?
the happiness that she brings.
Yeah. Like mental
She's just
welfare,
so
you know?
good. The best dog ever. Oh,
Luna.
happy birthday, Luna. I hope you enjoyed
love
your
you.
puppy cake and we love you so much.
Hope you like it.
Luna? Luna? Okay, well, she doesn't really care about me
I
right
feel
now.
like I can almost hear her stomach just going.
She's really good at cleaning plates.
Oh yeah, we don't even need rinse aid
No.
in our dishwasher. She's pretty good. Best in the business. She's gonna have a bunch of like yogurt all over her face again.
Yeah. Gave her a bath and trimmed her nails and also clipped some of the little mats out of her hair. She had a few little mats, but she's such a good girl.
She's so good.
Oh, she's the bestest.
And so is Lucky Boy.
Yeah.
Lucky
Look,
boy.
he's like, all right, party's over.
Oh no, I gave him a bunch of treats.
Oh, you
That
gave
way
him
he
some
didn't
treats
feel
over there?
left out. And
Aw.
he gets treats all the time.
Yeah, he does.
He probably gets as many treats as he gets like actual people.
All right, Luna. Did Did you have a good birthday party?
Oh, baby girl. Here pretty soon, I'm gonna have my inspector's license and we're gonna go together. You could tell the clients, I think you're gonna need a new woof. Not good? Not good enough? Okay.
Look at how cute this little princess hat is. Oh my goodness, guys. So cute. Look at that face.
Baby girl.
Look at that face,
Oh,
my
my
baby
baby
girl.
girl.
She's so pretty.
Yes, you're so
I
pretty.
love you so much, Luna. Happy birthday.
All right, now clean up your mess.